Hello friends and welcome to our channel Homeopathy World. I am Dr. Samina and in today's video we are going to discuss about few more free courses which you can do by sitting at home. So these are the distant courses which are offered by Oxford Home Studies Centre. So stay tuned to watch this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the notification on our latest updates. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So this is my Google homepage and I'm just going to type in Oxford Home Studies Centre, and this is the first link which I get. I'm going to click on this. So here you can see it's Oxford Home Studies Centre and free online courses with certificates. So here you can see this is the UK's finest 100% free courses online with certificates, and there is no penny to pay and no strings attached and no entry requirements whatsoever. So anyone who is interested can do these courses. They offer around 46 online free courses with certificate of completion. So once you have completed the course, you will get a certificate. So let's see now what is our requirement and which free courses are good for us as doctors, or which free courses we should be interested in is like here you can see there is free diet and nutrition course which we can do. Okay. And then there is a free life coaching course if you want to do it. Eating disorder, free digestion and detoxification course, free eating disorder course, free weight control management course, COVID-19 coronavirus free online courses. So these many courses are important for us as doctors, and these are the courses in which I was interested. So here you can see all of the above courses are free to study, and on course completion you will be awarded with a free OHSC course completion letter issued by the college. This letter will be sent to you in your email. So what are the benefits? Obviously you don't have to go outside, you don't have to pay anything, you just have to read the document which is given, and then in fact you get this certificate just by sitting at your home and reading the document that is provided by the university. That's the most benefit I see. Okay, so what we have to do now, I'm going to just scroll up and let's just assume that I want to do this free diet and nutrition course. I just clicked on it. Here you can see it's a short course. It's endorsed by OHSC, that is Oxford Home Studies Centre. Study method is online learning and the course duration is 20 hours. Entry requirement is no requirement and starting date is today. So once you've seen this, you can see the course syllabus if you want. So these are the things that will be taught in this course, and the payment options, as you can see, there's no payment options. That means it's free. And accreditation. On course completion, you will be awarded with our free OHSC course completion letter issued by the college. The letter will be sent to you in your email. So since you haven't logged in or signed in or registered yet, so here is the login, but you don't have to log in from here. You can just click on start your free course, and if you haven't logged in, you will see this kind of application. As you can see, it shows that this is a new application and you are applying to join e-learning college to start your free course. You need to remember the email address and the password you created, as you will need this to access the students area once you have completed the application. So here you can just keep a title like Mr., Miss, Mrs., Doctor, your name, your last name. Please put in your real name. Don't put nicknames or any social media names, because this name will be printed on your certificate. You have to provide your email and password, and you have to remember the password because you can log in into this particular application through that password. And once you have completed this application, you can click on next. My account is signed in, as you can see. Here you can see welcome to e-learning college. Now before showing you this particular site, I had to go through this site. So I've done a course So I'll show you. This is my profile, my courses. As you can see, I have done the coronavirus COVID-19 course, which was done on 27th October 2020. And the target date and completion date was not given, as it was a 10-hour course. I was given a document, a PDF document to download, and I had to download it and I had to read it to complete the course. And I had downloaded the document. The document was around 14 pages. I read the document and completed it. It was a 10-hour course, but I had read it within 1 to 2 hours. So my status shows in progress. Since I haven't completed the course, I haven't enrolled as completed. So here you can see I have to complete the assignment here. Take an online exam. So here I'm going to take online exam. I have to select an assignment number over here. Okay. So I was in my courses section, and here you can see now it shows that I have completed the course, as I had accessed the course and then I had completed the assignment by taking online exam. So here it shows take online exam completed status and assignment feedback. Here you can see the result, upload date and result that shows pass, and feedback. If I view the feedback and comments are very good, and overall grade is very good. So the status is completed and I can download the feedback form. As you can see, this is a mark sheet for students' work, and my assignment number was 1. And understanding your result, the course is made up of units, each unit which concludes with an assignment. The course is complete when the learner has successfully passed all unit assignments. If the student has achieved less than 40% marks in the assignment, it means that the learning objectives have not met and the student will be required to resubmit the assignment. So here you can see unit results are graded as very good if you have achieved 70 to 89% of marks. So here you can see my grade is very good. That means I have achieved somewhere 70 to 89% of marks. And if you have these grades, you can compare it. This is like a mark sheet what you get. So I can even download this thing. Here I've downloaded it. Okay. So once I've downloaded this, I can go down to download certificates and letters. There you can see there's a reference letter to download and letter of completion and course certificates and LOGC certificate and transcript. So letter of completion, I will just click on, you can even download reference letter, which will be something like this. So it will confirm your course enrollment and you can download it again. So I'll just download it. And letter of completion, I'll show you this. So it will be like this: confirmation of course completion, date, course when it was started and when it was completed, and your name, and has successfully completed all required elements like learning outcomes, assignments and projects of the following course, and the course name will be given. And the candidate was assessed through a series of written assignments or projects in English. And here will be your registration number, and here it will be the letter number. So you can just download this also and you can print it out. So this particular confirmation of course is done by eLearning College. The various courses that you have enrolled in, here you can see those. And if you want to enroll for another course, like I want to enroll for, suppose I want to do eating disorders, so I can enroll now, and here you can apply, and you have been successfully enrolled to this course. So here you can see this course has been enrolled. So you can access this course anytime, and there is no target and completion date. That means you can complete it anytime. There is no target date. So you can complete it anytime, and once it's completed, it will come under the completion date section, and you can access the course like this. Like here you can see the study material, and you can download this it will be a PDF. So you can save the file and you can read it whenever you want, and then you can complete the assignment by taking online exam like I did just before, and then you can download the certificate and letters from here. So here there will be a reference letter. So since I haven't completed the course, if I download the reference letter, it will just say that I have enrolled. So this is a confirmation of course enrollment, and once I complete the course, I can go to the letters of completions. Since you can see that I have enrolled but I haven't completed, so there is no letter of completion for the eating disorders course. So that was all about the free e-learning college courses that you can do, and there are around 6 variety of courses that are useful for doctors or anybody relating to the medical field. So you can go check out on that website and you can do these courses for free. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification on our latest updates. Thank you for watching.